subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon to get the latest tech updates from TechSole Blog.
Poco has finally launched its new entry-level phone under C series in India called Poco C3, and it seems to be a tweaked version of the Redmi 9C smartphone that was launched in Malaysia back in June this year. Talking about the specifications, the Poco C3 features a 6.53-inch HD Plus display with a tall 20:9 aspect ratio, and it has a water drop notch at the top center that carries 5-megapixel selfie camera with f2.2 aperture. The rear panel of the phone supports a triple camera setup in square module at the top left corner, including LED flash. The AAA camera includes a 13-megapixel main camera with f2.2 aperture plus 2-megapixel macro and 2-megapixel depth sensor with f2.4 aperture. Under the hood, the Poco C3 is powered by MediaTek Helio G35 chipset paired with PowerVR GE8320 GPU. As per the storage, the smartphone packs with 3 or 4GB of RAM and 32 or 64GB of internal storage that can be further expandable up to 512GB via dedicated microSD card slot. In terms of software, the handset runs on Android 10 based on MIUI 12 skin on top. The device comes backed by a large 5000 mAh battery with 10W charging support, and additionally the smartphone also comes with P2i nano coating for splash resistance. The connectivity option on the phone includes 4G, Wi-Fi, Bluetooth 5.0, GPS, 3.5mm headphone jack, and a micro USB charging port. The physical dimensions of the smartphone measures at 164.9 by 77.1 by 9mm, and it weighs around 194 grams. Now, talking about the pricing and availability details. The Poco C3 has been priced in India for 3GB plus 32GB storage variant at 7,499 Indian rupees, while the 4GB plus 64GB storage option is priced at 8,999 Indian rupees. The smartphone is set to go on sale in the country starting from October 16th in Arctic Blue, Matte Black and Lime Green color options. So, what do you guys think of this Poco C3 smartphone? Do let us know in the comment section below, and stay tuned to TechSole Blog YouTube channel for more tech updates. Thanks for watching. We'll see you guys in our next video.